Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we're going to discuss about the project dynamic low light image enhancement for object detection via end-to-end training. Now we're going to discuss about the abstract of the process. Object detection based in digital image processing is the most needed topic in computer vision. Hence, the illumination component in the image has a greater impact on object detection, and it will cause a sharp decline in detection performance under the low light conditions. Hence, the low light conditions affects the objects as well as the quality of the image. Using the low light image enhancement technique as a pre-processing mechanism can improve the image quality and obtain the better detection results. However, due to the complexity of low light environment, the existing enhancement method may have a negative effects on the some examples. Hence, in this process, we improve the quality of the image along with the object detection. Hence, after doing the image enhancement, the image quality will be improved. After doing the improved in image quality, we have to detect the object by using the bounding box method. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this project. The project consists of the modules such as input image, pre-processing, contrast enhancement, object detection, and finally performance estimations. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of the several images which is having the low light contrast images. After taking any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing step, the grayscale conversion is carried out. After doing the grayscale conversion, the image will be removed by the noises by using the filtering method. After doing the noise removal, the third stage of the project is contrast enhancement. In this contrast enhancement, the CLA-HE method is used as well as the gradient algorithm is used to improve the contrast level. In this contrast, the low light contrast images appeared in the sense the image will be boosted in the pixels by using the CLA-HE and gradient method. After improving the quality of the image, the fourth stage of the project is the object detection. In this object detection process, we have to detect the object by using the bounding box method and then the thresholding. Thresholding is basically applied to segment the region of interest from the background. Hence, the image having both the background as well as the foreground. The foreground region consists of the object, the background image consists of the non-object. So hence the foreground region is extracted by means of the thresholding. After extracting the foreground region, the bounding box is applied to detect the region where the object is present. So after doing the object detections method, the performance will be carried out. In this performance estimations, the precision will be detected to estimate the performance of the project. Now we're going to discuss about the initial running procedure of the process. At first, open the Matlab 2019b and then change the current directory. If you want to execute the process, just right click in the main file.em and select the option run. After doing the option selection run, the image will be appears like this. This is the dataset images we have contained in this folder. We can select any one image from the dataset. After doing the selection of the image from the dataset, the corresponding image will be appears in the figure 1. Now we can see the results one by one. Now the process will be done automatically one by one as per the modules we have given. So after doing the enhancement everything, so the object will be detected like this. Now the figure 1 shows the input image which we have selected from the dataset. After doing the selection of the input image, the pre-processing will be carried out. Already we have discussed in this pre-processing, we have to do the noise filtering. Hence in this image there is any noises present in the image, in the sense the pre-processing will carried out to remove the noises by using the filtering method. After doing the filtering, we just convert the image into one grayscale image. Basically the RGB image having the three bands, that is the RGB, that is red, green, blue. So after converting the RGB into one grayscale, the image will be the single band. After converting the RGB to grayscale conversion, we just do the contrast enhancement by using the CLA-HE method and gradient algorithm. So this is the steps of the CLA-HE and gradients one by one. So this is the results of the gradient of grayscale image. This is the edges present in the gradient grayscale image. So you can see the difference between the edge portions of the each and every object present in this gradient image. So gradient image is applied for the different level of thresholds like 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 like this. After doing the gradient estimations, everything, the final result will be the enhanced image. The initial enhancement will be looking like this. So after doing the final enhancement, the image will be enhanced completely like this. After doing the enhancement, everything, the white balance equalization is applied to any white balance inequalization means it will be removed and then it will be equalized. Finally the objects will be deducted by using like this bounding box. Hence this pedestrians will be the object, hence the each and every pedestrians will be bounded by this bounding box. Finally the precision of the process will be appeared in this message box. There is an 99.4% of precision will be there.
Thanks for watching this video.